Wednesday, June the 12th, is an auspicious day for the entire country. It is the 126th commemoration of the birth of this nation. A solemn significance not lost on the president, who adjures all Filipinos to dwell deeper and stoke the fires of passion and patriotism from within, especially in coming together to defend the country against external threats. Our Alan Francisco has more.
Today marks the beginning of several programs organized by the government in the run-up to the June 12 Independence Day celebration. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself encouraged Filipinos to participate and join in the activities.
Kaya samahan niyo kami. Dalhin ang inyong pamilya, ang inyong mga kaibigan at higit sa lahat, ang inyong pagka-Pilipino. At makilahok sa selebrasyon ng ating ika-126 na araw ng kalayaan.
Expect a cooking competition, an obstacle course race, a free concert in the evening, and a public market featuring local products at the Quirino Grandstand and Burnham Green.
Mayroon tayong mga libreng concert gabi-gabi. May tiyangge ng local products, mayroon ding labuyo eating contest o chili festival. May free movies tungkol sa ating mga bayani. Hindi rin mawawala ang mga serbisyong bayan na one-stop shop caravan na ginagawa natin sa bagong Pilipinas. At siyempre, sa 12 ng Hunyo, magkakaroon tayo ng Parada ng Kalayaan kung saan 22 na float na gawang Pinoy ang paparada. Makikilahok ang iba't ibang probinsya.
There will also be a free concert by the P-pop girl group, BINI, on June 12 during the Kalayaan Parade. June 12 or Araw ng Kalayaan because it is the birth date of the Republic.
Sa nakaraang 126 na taon, hanggang ngayon, patuloy nating ipinaglalaban ang ating kalayaan. Kalayaan sa iba't ibang aspeto ng ating pagka-Pilipino. Higit dito, kalayaan sa ating teritoryo, soberanya. Kaya't walang pagod ang ating pagbabantay.
The government, according to the President, continues to engage in discussions with different countries to help the Philippines advance its interests and rights. President Marcos also urged Filipinos to enhance the significance of Independence Day, along with waving the flag and supporting national causes.
Unang-una ay dapat ipakita natin at iwagayway natin ang ating katawat para maalala din natin at lahat na makakita ang buhay ng Pilipino.
When asked how he celebrated Independence Day as a child, the President said,
Nung bata kami, yung celebration talaga, siyempre kasama namin ang ating ama sa formal celebration, pero yung naalala ko talaga, yung mga ginagawa namin sa eskwela. At siyempre, nag-aaral kami tungkol sa Independence Day, tungkol sa Araw ng Kalayaan. At gumagawa kami ng mga programa, nagtutula kami para maipaalala sa amin at matutunan namin kung ano ba talaga ang naging kasaysayan ng Pilipinas.
Alan Francisco from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.